morning, guys. Poetry's in full effect. Poetic Chef. I'm here with Chef Ed McFarlane at Ed's Lobster Bar. It's a chef thing. Today I'm doing fried chicken tenders with a maple honey sauce, chipotle aioli. Fry it up. Let's see what I got. Guys, this is the maple honey secret sauce. I use Vermont organic maple syrup, but you can use whatever syrup to your liking. Red pepper flakes, cilantro, garlic, black pepper, hint of ketchup. Mix it around, and now I'm about to put it in this pot so it can boil over a little bit.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
Alright guys, once my sauce is boiled, I put it back in the bowl, set it aside.
Comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. It's such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul.
Alright guys, got my fries, got the chicken tenders, the chipotle aioli over it, scallion for garnish. You can eat it with chips, you can eat it whatever you want, but I like to eat it with fries.
I'm Ed McFarlane. I'm here with the Poetic Chef again. Today we're supposed to be cooking chicken wings. I'm not exactly sure he cooked chicken wings, but I'm gonna make chicken wings. I'm gonna make them a little healthier, and I'm gonna make them, show you how you can make them at home. You don't have to deep fry wings for them to be good. Sure, when I go out, I like to eat deep fried chicken wings, but at home, you can bake them perfect. A couple little secrets. First, you have to bake the wings with no rub on them to leach the water out and pat them dry. That's how we're gonna get started. I'm ready to go. I got my wings on the sheet tray. They're on parchment paper. Wax paper is fine at home. You gotta cook them 1 hour at 350 to leach the water. I have all my ingredients ready for the dry rub, and my sauce is ready. As soon as we get the chicken in the oven, I'm gonna tell you all about that. So we have our dry rub ingredients. I have paprika, Old Bay, cayenne pepper. Don't go too crazy with the cayenne. The more you put, the spicier it is. The less you put, the milder it's gonna be. Black pepper, also don't go too crazy. Too much black pepper is gonna make it super spicy. Garlic salt and regular salt. Just mix that around well with your hand. It's pretty simple. And when you're ready, it's laid out on a tray just like this to dust your wings. So, and for the sauce, pretty simple. I buy Greek yogurt, I make a tzatziki. It's chopped garlic, dill, and pureed cucumber. It is the perfect complement to a spicy chicken wing. It softens the spice and it makes your dry rub really pop with the cucumber and salt. Look at that, it's delicious. It's a little thick too, so it will coat your wing when you dip it. So we have our wings. These are cooked right now. They're not crisp, but the water's all leached out of them. They're ready to be pat dry and dry rubbed. Our wings are ready to go. Perfect dry rub, coated beautifully. We're gonna stick them in the oven, cook them until they're crisp. Could be 30 minutes, 45 minutes at 350, maybe a little longer. and I would flip them over halfway through cooking. It's not necessary, but it helps. The wings are ready. They're crisp. I'm ready to pull them out of the oven. Look at these. They're beautiful. They're crispy, a little dark. All the dry rub stayed on them perfectly. Let's make our plate. Look at this. Your perfect chicken wing appetizer at home. If you want this recipe, hit me up at Chef Ed McFarland on Instagram. DM me and I'll send you the recipe. Look forward to talking to you. Time to go eat. So we're ready to eat. Poetic Chef Kareem, he's up first, eating my chicken wings. Baked, dry rub, healthy version, cucumber sauce tzatziki, garlic, dill, salt. It's perfect. Go ahead and dig in. Look at those. Those are baked and crispy. I don't need to make fried unhealthy shit.
There we go,
We're
guys.
making nice food.
Dip it right in there. Very delicious. You know what it's missing?
Me eating it.
$1 million check.
Huh.
Very delicious. I love it.
Okay, now tell me about what you got here before you eat the whole plate of wings over there.
Got fried chicken tenders, some maple honey, brown sauce with a chipotle aioli, some fries, a little scallion for garnish.
Okay, I just want to say that he called me up last night. He said, Ed, we're going to do chicken wings. So I made chicken wings. This is a meal. I made an appetizer. I don't know what kind of shit he's trying to pull, but it certainly looks really good.
Yeah, just eat it. Look at him.
That is,
He's starting to get red in the face. It's a little spicy.
I don't know about spicy, but they're cooked perfect, super moist. I don't think you need the French fries. I think the chicken's just perfect, speaks for itself. Battered real well, came out super crisp and crunchy, moist on the inside, nice drizzle of sauce. I love scallion. I think it's a great compliment. Perfect.
Thank you. I
Next time
appreciate
you'll
that.
actually make wings.
Next time, put fries.
Thanks for watching. It's a chef thing. Chef Ed McFarland at Poetic Chef. Hit us up for the recipes on direct message. More good stuff to come.
Subscribe.
Shut